This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So first of all, you will need to launch settings, then enter the sound and vibration category. Next, you're gonna go for the sound quality and effects page, and in here, as you can see, both Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming options are not available for me, which basically means that the default built-in speakers of this particular phone do not support the Dolby Atmos. But, well, this feature is still here for a reason. Basically, if you will connect any external audio device, should it be Bluetooth speaker or headphones or whatever other sound device you can think of, if the aforementioned accessory or device supports the Dolby Atmos, those toggles or those switches will become available, and you will be able to turn on the Dolby Atmos by simply tapping at the switch over here. And well, before I finish, if the switch is in gray, well, let me show you on some other example. Let's say this is our Dolby Atmos switch. So right now it is disabled. My Dolby Atmos is disabled, but once you tap on it, it turns blue and the options gets enabled as well. So that would be pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.